In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to access your RBC Royal Bank e-statements. Managing your finances efficiently is essential, and accessing your bank statements online is a great way to keep track of your transactions and balances. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open the RBC mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've got the app open, sign in to your account using your credentials. If you have face recognition or fingerprint login set up, you can use those methods for quick access. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen, where you'll see several options. Look for the More option and give it a tap. This section houses a variety of services, and it's where you'll find what we're looking for today. Under the Services section, you'll see an option labeled Statements. Go ahead and select it. This will lead you to a list of your accounts. Now, depending on what you need, you can choose the specific account you want to view. Whether it's your checking or savings account, tap on the one you're interested in. After selecting your account, you'll be presented with a list of available statements. Simply tap on any statement to open and review it. This is a great way to keep tabs on your financial activity, ensuring you always know where you stand. If you need a closer look at any details, you can zoom in on the statement for clarity. And if you find a particular statement that you need to keep on hand or share with someone, you can use the share option provided. This feature allows you to download or print the statement, making it easy to keep a physical copy or send it via email. And there you have it. You've learned how to access and manage your RBC Royal Bank e-statements right from the palm of your hand. It's a straightforward process that offers convenience and flexibility, ensuring that you can stay on top of your finances anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful.